Chayote potato chickpea flour toast sandwich, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread toast recipes and one of the most different of the chayote recipes and one of the most nutritious of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sandwich recipes and one of the most unique of the toast recipes. Today we are going to make chayote potato chickpea flour toast sandwich. The ingredients are around 100 grams of chayote peeled and cut into pieces, 3 shallots, around 15 grams of garlic, and 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots and the garlic, salt, caramel, salt until the shallots lose their reddish color. Now put in the chayote pieces. Then salt to taste. And then mix. Put in spoon of mixture spices. pieces. Put in mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, after cooking for the required time, mash the potatoes and the chayotes so as to make a nice, thoroughly mashed mixture. Make it into a pulp. This can be used to further make the sandwich. Take 6 pieces of bread, from this take on one piece, apply the mashed potato chayote mixture. Put another piece of bread on top and press and keep the sandwich aside. Do this with the other bread pieces until all the pieces are nicely made into sandwiches. Take 75 grams of chickpea flour, pour in around 50 to 100 ml of water. Mix to make a smooth batter. Pour in Put in half a spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Mix. Put in salt to taste. Put in half a spoon of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly and break all the lumps so as to make a smooth batter. Heat the pan and pour in 15 to 20 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan and let the oil get heated. Now dip the sandwich in the oil. After dipping in the batter, let it fry. Turn it over. Take it off the pan. Dip the next into the batter. And put it into the pan. Turn it over. Do this until all the sandwiches are nicely fried. Now cut the sandwich diagonally through the center. This is the final. Chayote potato chickpea flour toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most unique of the Chayote recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most different of the sandwich recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the toast recipes and one of the most unique of the bread egg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the chickpea recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.